You can get 4th of July prices today, up to 70% off, and we guarantee you we are gonna beat the big box stores. Appliance Factory is the area's largest discount mattress and appliance retailer with 5 locations in the area. In Landon on Fields Erdel Road, East Cincinnati by Eastgate, Springdale, Tri-County, in Florence across from Menards, and in Miamisburg on Springboro Pike. One way we save you money is through our special buys. When there's a supply chain overstock issue or a gridlock and products gotta go, our team finds those deals, goes in, buys the whole load, and passes the savings on to you, the customer. You're gonna be getting brand new product in a box. Check this out. Save almost 50% off when you buy the KitchenAid refrigerator. Get this range and microwave for free. All you have to do, come in, mention keyword freedom. Another special buy. Buy the Whirlpool front load washer, get the matching dryer free. All you gotta do, come in, mention keyword freedom. Another way that we save customers money is through our uncrated products. We have thousands of uncrated units in our warehouse ready to rock. Manufacturers don't ship damaged boxes. The products are returned to them because they don't want to deal with it in the customer's home. We buy them at a deep discount direct from the manufacturer, unbox them, grade them, and make sure that they are mechanically sound. We then pass the savings on to the customer. These are full warranty and never used products. Here's an example. We have incredible savings on side-by-side refrigerators. Our price is $7.99. You're able to come in and save hundreds. We've got some incredible mattress deals as well. We have all the major brands on the floor for you to try. So come in, work with a sleep expert, and get a comfort test. You can find us online at appliancefactory.com, or you can get on Google and type Appliance Factory near me, and also check out our great reviews. So don't buy an appliance or a mattress until you shop Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. I guarantee we save you money.